hello. Alison Henrik, your body is beautiful. Maybe. What can I do to make you happy? Please like guys and also share live and also be a member of my channel and also don't forget to subscribe. Chase Sardone so hot. What you do? Here in front of the camera I'm talking to many people around the world. XX is on my Patreon. Hi everyone. Hi sexy baby. Hello sir. Price do you work? No? I have work for now because I take care of my son. Take to school. Send school and get home. Hello Mr. Joe's 2 live. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. Hello my ex abroad baby. Hi. Look at my eyes. I'm so sleepy, but I'm still doing this live every night because this is my task. This is my work on YouTube. But if I get no live, I don't earn money for us to survive with my son. Because I'm a single mother. I don't have work, so I work here in YouTube. And I work at night time, the same time. You know, this time is late in Philippines because this time most of my viewers are here. So I sacrifice my sleep with early sleep to make live at this time. Where the single, where the single ladies? Where the single ladies? I'm a single lady. Um, put your hands up. Beauty anti nice, really nice body. Thank you, Bojan Takalog. Thank you, Sojit Dagopta. Harana Baraz, can I help you? Sure, why not? In what way you can help me? I don't have work in the Philippines. But wala pong... Ano ba? Iwan ko sa'yo. Ay, antok mo yung mukha ko. Pero kailangan tayo dito sa ating channel na mag-live kasi as what I've said a while ago that this is my task. Come to Texas, take you on a date. I give you company. I don't have comfort. Wala po sa name niyo sa Patreon. Yung ano, meron akong about dyan sa YouTube. I-click mo lang yung link ng Patreon. Diretso ka na doon. Hindi ka na mag-search. Mayroon din sa about ko. Doon sa profile ko, meron doon dyan na about na may lapis. I-click mo yan. Tapos may link doon na Instagram, Patreon, and Facebook. Doon. Diretso ka na doon. Sana hi Ma'am Noy, magandang gabi. Magandang gabi din sa iyo. Sunny Flores, shout out. And all, what language you're speaking? Tagalog and English. Tagalog is our language, but we have also other language here in Philippines. I am Bisaya. Kumusta na ka? Yeah. Oh my